Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn alphabet words. Let us get started. A for ant. Ant. B for box. Box. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for gifts. Gifts. H for horse. Horse. I for insects. Insects. J for joker. Joker. K for king. King. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for nest. Nest. O for owl. Owl. P for parrot. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen. R for rat. Rat. S for sunflower. Sunflower. T for tiger. Tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for watermelon. Watermelon. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you kids for watching all the alphabets word with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.